Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1988 Lotus Esprit Turbo. It's number 84 of only 88 commemorative editions made to celebrate the 40 years of Lotus cars. So quite an interesting car here. It's finished in its original color of pearl white or pearlescent white with navy blue interior, matching wheels, and this is a two-state car. It's the Carfax shows it lived in California and Texas. The car's got 43,000 original miles on it. If you look at the Carfax, there was an incident where it had some front-end damage when the car was very, very affordable, very cheap. But it is a clean title still. They didn't salvage it. But yeah, real interesting car here. Pretty rare. Definitely going to be a collectible. They all came with this rear spoiler on it, which is interesting. So this car runs and drives well. It does need a head gasket. It's not running hot, but it probably doesn't need a valve job. It just needs a head gasket replacement. But we have receipts here with the car totaling $57,000 in maintenance. So quite a nice, well-kept, well-maintained car. The previous owner was getting a divorce and he decided to let the car go and not do this cylinder head gasket. But yeah, if you're looking for one of these cars, this is a very interesting, rare commemorative edition. Paintwork, I'll show you on the car. Paintwork is quite decent. It has been repainted at one point. Little tiny chip here on the spoiler. But car presents very, very well. You can see the finish here is just gorgeous. Little bit of chipping and something going on down here, I noticed, so that needs a repair. Little scuff on the back of the door. Oh, what else can I show you? The rest of the car is pretty reasonable. So cosmetically, not bad paint-wise. Just a few corrections would have the car looking quite mint. So I love those color-coded wheels on this car. But yeah, so just those couple items is all I can see. I mean, the roof looks nice. It's got this glass sunroof. And let's look at the interior here. The interior's finished in this navy blue. Door panels are real nice. Now these seats are from a Series 4. They've been traded out or upgraded to the Series 4 seats, but still in the same original color as the rest of the car. Dash looks quite good all the way around. Gauges, instruments. You can see how quite nice everything is in here. A couple tiny fixes maybe, but let's look at the other side. The driver's side window needs repair. That doesn't really roll up and down, so that's going to need a repair. That is the huge bag of receipts we have on it. So this is maintenance records all the way back to 2006 on the car. But you can see here the trim on the car is quite impressive. Another nice, perfect original door panel. Let me show you under the seats here. So there you go. Very, very nice passenger seat. There's the cockpit image there of the driver's side. So so cosmetically not bad. Nice car overall cosmetically. The car runs and drives. We've just posted a video of it. Always been in California and Texas, and a little bit of work. You've got a pretty spectacular, rare, collectible, Lotus Esprit commemorative edition. Nice color scheme. We just had a black one that we sold, but I actually prefer this color. This car just looks really lovely in this pearlescent white with navy blue trim. But like I said, it does run and drive. It seems to run cool, but Needs that cylinder head gasket changed out, probably a couple grand at a specialist, and you're off and running back on the road again safely and driving it. So, but there it is, 1988 Lotus Turbo Esprit Commemorative Edition, pearlescent white on navy blue, body colored alloys, and you can see the car being driven preceding this walk around video, and you know, soon to be a very collectible, desirable turbo. And it's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Very modestly priced if you're looking to get into a supercar.